sledding, hot chocolate, more chocolate, hot chocolate bombs. I'm so excited for you guys to see how much snow we get.
This is some serious snow. Addie, it's up to your waist. Oh my gosh.
I bet it goes up to my waist and I just can't touch the ground.
This is right outside our door. I've got to do some heavy duty shoveling. You almost lost your sled, Boo. Have fun, Addie. Look what happened to our trampoline. I know, it's frozen, Ollie. Everything is frozen. It was so cold out there. Addie, look at what is in your boots. Oh my gosh. Did you have fun?
My cheeks.
Look at your cheeks. Did you have fun out there?
Yeah. Can you make me some hot chocolate?
Sure, baby.
Of
This
course.
is my favorite part of the day. But Addie's feet are hot pink. Oh my gosh, they get so pink
see
from the
my
cold.
feet.
Let me see yours, buddy. Buddy's are a little bit pink, but yours are bright pink. My favorite part of the day, of a snow day. Hot chocolate, marshmallows, and warming up. All right, I've got some delicious hot chocolates coming right up. Just need to add some marshmallows. But this is one of my favorite parts of the day. Addy and Ollie are on their iPads about to have some hot chocolate. We're gonna light a fire and call it a day. Yummy. Yum. Look what I brought for you guys. Delicious.
Delicious.
So Addy and Ollie are inside having some indoor fun. She's really enjoying it. You could barely see her down there. It's beautiful out. There's no cars. We're walking on the road, although it doesn't really seem like the road because it's full of snow. Lulu loves her walks and she really needs them. At this point, woo, here comes the plow. There's the plow coming through. Look at the size of that thing. It's huge. Right, Lulu? Right, so this is one of the downsides of walking out here in the snowstorm. The plow is salting the road, so Lulu is hobbling I could tell that she's got salt in her paws. She's not really moving and running around. And she's limping. I'm sorry, Lovey. Your head's all wet. Look at our car, coated in snow. Oh my goodness gracious. But it was worth it, right, Lulu? Now we gotta get home. Let's go see what Addy and Ollie are up to. So I gotta drive really slowly down this road just because I don't wanna slip, right? What a storm. We're getting a lot of snow this year, Lulu. You've done a lot of Valentine's, and Addy, you're doing your virtual Valentine's, right? Oh my gosh, so yours are all on the computer. Ollie, yours are the real deal.
We are doing hot chocolate bombs.
Hot chocolate bombs.
It's already open.
I cannot wait to see what's in these.
Woo!
How does it smell, Ollie?
It's really like chocolate.
Oh yeah, oh it's in there already? Nice.
We just need to heat up some of the milk.
Okay. All right, so we are gonna heat up the milk in our little milk heater upper. So exciting. I cannot wait.
There
we go. It actually froths it. It's really cool. So it turned off automatically, right? Yep, lift it up. And see how it's foamy?
Yeah.
Isn't that cool, buddy?
So do we just pour it into the hot chocolate?
That's right.
Okay, guys, let's just wait.
Whoa. Oh my gosh, there is a hole in this thing. Oh my gosh, check it out! Whoa. Oh my gosh, check out what is in this thing. It's
the richest one.
It is. Ollie, I think this is super royalty family. Whoa. Check this out.
What is it?
What is that? That's hot chocolate. That's marshmallows. Wow.
Is it good?
Is it delicious?
All right, let's do
Ollie, what does it taste like?
sort of like chocolate.
It's very chocolatey, right? There goes Addy.
Oh wow, this is really good.
Is it?
Really chocolate.
It is mega chocolate. It's a chocolate bomb.
That was a marshmallow.
So this is her chocolate bomb, and we were just doing it a little bit more slowly, right, Addy?
Yeah.
Let's see if that's, oh, you can see it bubbling. That definitely means that there's a hole in it. Do you like this one? Cool, right? Will you lift it up? Let's see the chocolate bomb at this point.
I can't see it.
It's melted, not disintegrated. How is it?
Really good.
It's delicious?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's behind you. Addy, how long do you think it's gonna take Arturo to plow our driveway?
Like 10 minutes?
10 minutes? Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
Look, he's not even entered into our driveway yet. He's plowing the road to get into our house. It's already been 45 minutes that Arturo has been plowing. Hi, Arturo. This is so hard to plow.
It's a lot of snow, but the kids enjoy, right?
That's right. Whoa! Yes! Go ahead, Buzzer. Go! I'm Mama.
I'm Addy. And I'm Mo.
And we're a
Adventure-
frigid and frozen.
Adventures in Ollie, Addy and Ollie. Please subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up.
We did this whole thing backwards because we had no idea we were taking a video today.
Look at my hair. Wait.
Frozen.